The question is basic data type. Where is this basic data type, right? So all of you are probably familiar with RAM, right? Have you heard of that word RAM, right? You've heard of it, right? So all this data is of course stored on RAM. All our computations are performed using the data that is stored on RAM. And so if you look at this RAM, right? If you look at a portion of the RAM, right? And you can imagine that this RAM is sort of like, imagine it as a grid, right? And you can break up the RAM into sort of some grid, right? So all of our data is being stored on RAM. So here, the number 3 is being stored on RAM. The float, which is 3.14, is stored on RAM. The complex number is stored on. The string is being stored. And where it is being stored is, you don't have to worry about that. Python sort of takes care of storing wherever it feels like it, and it doesn't even tell us where it stores us. We can find out, but Python says I'm going to store it wherever I want to. And the Python interpreter is sort of really taking care of allocating the variables to the memory locations. You don't have to worry about it, right?